Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart all tax information on TurboTax. Or by the way, I will also show you how you can delete and start over on TurboTax. Well, this is really easy thing to do. First of all, you have to go to this TurboTax website. If you don't know how to go, just go to Google and type here TurboTax. You will get this first link and come here. Once you're here, you have to log in, basically sign up into your account. So click on sign up and get into your account ASAP. Right, so to sign up, you have to enter your credential, basically your email and user ID and password, as well as your phone number. To create an account, to just log in, you have to enter your user ID and password, and that's it. Now, what you have to do, once you're here, you will get an option to, you have to fill up this form. So you have to just click on continue. You have to go to my info, which you can see here on the left side. Once you're here inside your my info, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will get all this information here. Again, you will see a lot of option on the left side. Inside the upgrade, you will see option tax tool. If you click here, you will receive a drop down, and here you will find three options. Now here you have to click on clear and start over, and you will get a notification in the middle to continue. Once you click on continue, then it's done. So this is how you can just clear and restart all your tax information on TurboTax. I hope you found this information really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.